to lock, hide, and unhide an app on iPad. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you will be able to lock, hide, and unhide an app on iPad. So basically, in order to first of all lock an application, all you have to do is just simply long press on the application that you want to lock. For example, I want to lock my App Store. Just simply long press on it. And over here, you will be able to see the option called Require Touch ID. Just simply tap on it. And now you have to confirm your action while tapping on Require Touch ID again. And that's how you will be able to lock your app. Just simply press your ID over here. And in order to unlock this, all you have to do is just long press on the app again and click on Don't Require Touch ID and just press your ID again. And this app will be unlocked and doesn't require any ID. And in order to hide an application, all you have to do is just simply, so for example, I want to hide this particular app, just it says free note. Just simply long press on it and click on options and click on require ID. And now you will have the option called hide and require touch ID. Just simply click on hide and require touch ID and just confirm with your touch ID from the iPad and your app will be hide. And in order to unhide it, you just simply have to long press on it again and you will be able to unhide it again. So this is basically how you will be able to lock, hide and unhide an app on iPad. I hope you find this video to be helpful.